Last year, when I was in Tamil Nadu, on the day of Pongal festival, a neighbor gave us something special dish, and she said it is sweet Pongal for Pongal special. And we had that sweet, and it was really yummy in our tummy. So this year I thought to prepare, so I requested her to tell me the recipe of sweet Pongal. Then she said me the recipe. She said me to take 1 cup of rice, and I have used here rice which I am using to make dosa or idlis, and also half cup of moong dal and 1/4 cup of chana dal. She said to me to wash it 2 to 3 times thoroughly. Then we need to add some water, and we need to soak for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we need to take a pressure cooker. Traditionally, it is made in a pot with some decorative and all, but we can also make it in pressure cooker. In this, I am going to add soaked rice and dal. Next, she told me to add 1 cup of milk, but I have added here only half cup of milk. If you wish, you can add 1 cup of milk. And here I have added 4.5 cup of water. If you are using 1 cup milk, then you need to add 4 cups of water. And we need to cook it for about 4 whistles. After 4 whistles, you can see here this rice and dal is cooked well, and we need to mash it. Now here I am going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Give it a nice mix. Next, we need to add jaggery. So here I have added 1 cup of jaggery powder. This is organic jaggery powder. So you need to add jaggery as much as you want. Mix well. Here this pongal looks little dry. So now I am going to add little water to it. Next, take a tadka pan or any small vessel. To this, I am going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. You can also add more ghee to it. And we need to add some cashew nuts and raisins. Mix well, and the delicious, yummy, sweet pongal is ready to be served. And we need to have this when it is hot only. And this is really amazing and a very easy recipe. You must try this. I have tried it in my first time. Really, it is amazing, and we had this for our breakfast. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a like, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.